Imagine this. The global boss comes to town and wants a 5-minute overview on business done last year. And what do you give him? The history of the company. Even though he started it himself 20 years ago, the first 10 years of numbers, last year's results divided into 28 categories and details of each category. After 5 minutes, the boss walks out, never to come back. Oh no, what have you done? You stabbed yourself, you slapped your own face, and worst of all, missed a great chance to impress. Sound familiar? Sadly, all too familiar. So what to do? Simple. Always know who's the most important people attending a presentation and match the content to them. Really easy, right? After all, would you explain why E equals mc squared to Albert Einstein? Hope not. Would you present only financial analysis to the graphic art team? Definitely not. Would you pitch to your 89-year-old client an investment plan meant for a 22-year-old? You better not. Remember to know who the most important people attending a presentation are, and make sure your presentation matches what they want to hear from you and not what you want to tell them. Understand their needs and wants and give them what they want. Unbelievably, many presenters forget this key point. And one last thing, presentations don't always have to be super formal. What if Bill Gates is on an island resort thinking about his next big move and wants to buy your company? You're invited to present and it must happen on the beach. You know only one way to present. So you set up a projector screen, and prepare 498 PowerPoint slides for a 15-minute pitch on the beach. And of course, you wear your best business suit. What happens next? Bill gets bored, cannot see the PowerPoint, and you're sweating buckets as you rush through 498 PowerPoint slides in 15 minutes. And you wonder why Bill doesn't buy your company. Could this happen to you? Of course. And it happens all the time because we only know one way to present, and that's a formal presentation. There's a time and place for this type of presentation, but it's not the only way. For example, you could do an informal one-on-one with the boss, or maybe a semi-formal presentation with a very small group of key people who need to be there, and not everyone in the company, including the boss's driver and house cleaner. So decide if a formal or informal presentation is better for what you want to say and who you're going to say it to. In conclusion, always know who the key people are in the audience, what they need and want to hear, and then decide if you must do a formal presentation. See you in the next chapter.